People, today's turnover of the 2026 National Expenditure Program from the Department of Budget and Management is not just a formality, it is the first step in shaping how our government will serve the Filipino people in the year ahead. Like every family, we know that every peso must have a purpose. We cannot spend what we do not have, and we must spend wisely on what matters the most. Bawat piso may pinaglalaanan, bawat gastusin dapat may pakinabang sa tao. The NEP is more than just numbers on paper. It is the government's plan to make the vision of Bagong Pilipinas real. Roads that connect communities, markets where food is affordable, schools that open doors to opportunity, hospitals that save lives, and safe, secure communities for every Filipino. A budget is not just a spending plan, it is a mirror of our priorities and a measure of our accountability to the people. And because this is the people's money, the process of crafting it must be transparent, inclusive, and worthy of public trust. That is why, beginning this year, the House will implement important reforms. First, we will remove the small committee that collated institutional amendments. Bukas ang talakayan, lahat ng amendments alam ng mamamayan. Second, we will open the bicameral conference committee on the budget to the public and to the media. Kung pera ng taong bayan ang pinag-uusapan, dapat taong bayan din ang nakaalam. Third, we will invite civil society, people's organizations, and the private sector to join budget hearings. Ang pambansang budget ay hindi pag-aari ng mga politiko. Ito ay pera ng bawat Pilipinong nagbabayad ng buwis. Fourth, we will strengthen oversight requiring timely reports from agencies and enabling real-time tracking of major projects. Bawat pisong ginastos dapat may katumbas na serbisyong nararamdaman. And fifth, we will prioritize investments that truly change lives. Agriculture for food security, infrastructure for connectivity, and jobs, education for opportunity, health for all, and defense and disaster preparedness for national safety.